I want the smallest number which should be added to 3627. So there is one smallest number, n minimum value, that should be added to 3627. 3627 such that the sum is exactly divisible by, answer is divisible by 4, 5, 6 and 8. Answer is divisible by 4, 5, 6 and 8. Wherever there is a right key point divisible by, we will use the concept of LCM. Now let us solve the question very logically, sir. If you see here, I told you in LCM related problems, input one number, it is divisible by 5. Answer, it will be divisible by 5. Right hand side, it is divisible by 5. Input one number, it is divisible by 2. Answer, it will be divisible by 2. Similarly, input one number, it is divisible by 3. Answer will be divisible by 3. 5 into 2 is my main focus point. Why? Because 5 into 2, it is 10. So if it is divisible by 10, right hand side unit digit will be 0. Here left hand side unit digit, it is 7. So here it should be 3. Why? Because 7 plus 3 only, it is 10. Answer, unit digit has to be 3. 72, 39 and 27, all are eliminated. Again I am replying, right? N minimum plus 3627. LCM of 4568. Input one number divisible by 5. Answer also, it is divisible by 5. Input one number divisible by 2. Answer also, it should be divisible by 2. That means right hand side is divisible by 10. That means unit digit, it is 0. Left hand side unit digit, it is 7. For it to become 0, in the number which is minimum, it should have unit digit 3. Let us check whether 3627 plus 93. 3627 plus 93. This is 12. So this is becoming, how much it is becoming? 3627 plus 93. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. It is 3720. Check it out whether 3720 is divisible by 4. 4 5s are 20. Yes. Is it divisible by 5? Divisible by 5, unit digit 0, yes. Is it divisible by 6? 6 is 2 and 3 combination. Sum of the digits, it is divisible by 3. 8 is the last 3 digits divisible by 8. 890 is our 720. That means answer for this question is 93. Please do not waste your time in doing LCM of 4568 minus 3627. Here it is divisible by 2. Here it is divisible by 5. Answer will be divisible by 10. That means unit digit 0. Here unit digit 7. So here the unit digit will be 3. 3 plus 7, it is 2. Only one option, 93. I hope you got an idea. Which of the following, it is the smallest number? Which of the following is the smallest number that is a perfect square? Answer should be a smallest number. Smallest number means it should take a minimum value. N should be a minimum value and it is a perfect square. And it should be a perfect square. Answer should be a minimum value and it is a perfect square and it is divisible by. Whenever there is a word divisible by, we should take LCM. Which divides, we should take the word HCF. So it is divisible by LCM of 6, 8 and 15. Answer should be divisible by LCM of 6, 8 and 15. 6, 8 and 15. First of all, he has clearly said that it is a perfect square. I already told you, whenever you are finding LCM, if answer it is 121, it contains power of 11. It should be present as an input in one of the 3 numbers. It is not present as an input in any of the 3 numbers. So that is out. 276. 276 factorization if I do, it is 3 into 92. 92 it is 23 into 4. 23 into 4 into 23 into 4 into 3. 23 12s are, it is 276. Answer it is divisible by 23. If answer it is divisible by 23, in the input 23 related at least one number should be there. It is not there, so it is omitted. 225. If you see here, it is LCM of, here it is an even number. Input one number is an even number. Answer will also be an even number. Input one number divisible by 2. Answer also it should be divisible by 2. So 225 out. That means without even doing the LCM, I got the answer as 3600. I got the answer as 3600. I hope the idea it is clear. What students will do it is LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. 24 and 15. 24 and 15. LCM of it is 3 8s are, it is 3 5s are. So they will do 3 3s are 3 out, 8 5s are 40, 43s are 120. Answer should be a multiple of 120, like that they will do. Not at all required. Very, very important question, sir. Answer cannot be 121 because 121 contains a multiple of 11. It is not present in any of the numbers. It cannot be 276. 276 is a multiple of 23. Input any number is not a multiple of 23. It cannot be 225. Input one number is an even number. Output should be an even number. Very beautiful basic understanding question. 27th question. I hope the idea it is clear. These are some of the courses. Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number. Smallest number means n minimum we should do, which should be added to the smallest number. N minimum should be added to LCM of 6, 9 and 15. LCM n minimum plus LCM of 6, 9, 15 to make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. This is an easy question, sir. LCM of 6, 9 and 15. Whenever you are doing an LCM related problems, the entire attention is on the largest number. 15. 15 should be a multiple of 6 and 9. 15 is not a multiple of, right, 6, because 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. And another thing, 9, input one number, it is 9. What is the magical property with respect to 9? Whenever you are doing LCM, if input one number is 9, answer also it should be, digital sum should be 9. Which multiple of 15? The digital sum will be 9, 90. 90. Why it is 90? Please see here. 6 is an even number. Even number means it will be divisible by 2. The first multiple of 9 in a 15 multiple is 45. So 2 into 45, it is 90. 2 into 45, it is 90. Again I am repeating. LCM of 6, 9, 15. LCM means we will see the largest number. Largest number, it is 15. Which multiple of 15? Digital sum will be 9. Because input one number, digital sum is 9. 15 3s are 45. But input it is divisible by 2. Output it should be an even number. 45 even multiple is 90. 90, how much should be added to make it a perfect square? First option 10. 90 plus 10 is 100. 100 is 10 square, which is a perfect square. Which is a perfect square. I hope the idea it is clear how to find out the LCM of the numbers with basic foundation related properties. I hope the concept is very much clear to you.